Hello everyone, let's move further with another hairdo. This one is best suitable for the long length hair. First you just have to take the fancy hairpin and you just have to place it at the center. After that the rest of the hair strands are to be tied up one after the another in a twisty manner. The leftover hair is to be tied up in the bun. For this one again you may require this trio type of the clippy pin that is to be placed horizontally at the center. After that the hair strands one after the another are to be loosened and the leftover hair is to be converted into the braid and fixed at the proper position. Next hairstyle is very simple and very easy. You just have to tie up the hair not at the center but at the one corner. After that, by giving some of the twists and the turns, place each strand one after the another. This type of the hairstyle is quite simple, quite easy. You can definitely give it a try. Then the braid is to be built from this right portion and fix them at the proper position. We will move further with another hairstyle. First, you just have to make the classical braid from both the ends by taking some of the hair. After that, the leftover hair is to be tied up using another rubber band and the internal twist is given one after the another. Fix them at the proper position. Another hairstyle is all inspired from the braid that we usually make. So one after the another build the braids from the three sides as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video if you will get confused. Then fix all these braids together using the another rubber band. Then the fishtail is to be built and give it an internal turn and convert it into the bun. Next hairstyle is again inspired from the classical braid. From the two ends we have made this classical braid and we are now making a ponytail. After that another rubber band is to place. Then the bumpy area is kept to be open. Then the bun is ready. We will move further with another type of the hairstyle. The two strands are pasted and fix them at the proper position. Then give them the internal twist. After that you just have to repeat by giving them the internal twist as shown here. Once your internal twists are all done, the rest over here is to be tied up using the two rubber bands and give the internal twist and fix them at the proper position. Another hairstyle, first make the two divisions of the hair, then give them the internal twist and the turns as apparent here tightly. Both these tails are to be tied up in a crisscross manner. This looks so good. We will move further with another hairdo. Half type of the bun is to be created using some of the classical braid techniques. The rest over here is to be used to tie up the bun that we have created earlier. Next hairstyle is very simple, inspired from the lower ponytail. Give them the internal twist. After that, build a braid as apparent here, then roll it into the bun. Thank you.